Hey, this is Steve Liang with Real Estate IQ. I'm also with Sydney Sum in Dallas Fort Worth area, and this is your real estate deals market update. Okay, we're going to be looking at the November real estate intelligence report for the Dallas Fort Worth area. As always, we'll look at the market condition first, and then we'll start looking at where the deals are at. So this is the new and active listings that the real estate center, the Texas A&M University Real Estate Center, regularly publishes, and we're seeing a big change in new properties hitting the market from August to September, and just a small drop in the inventory, which is the active listings. Now, comparing to last year, we're still seeing an increase in total of inventories out there. Again, we are seeing the market is cooling down a little bit. It's not as piping hot, and so all these numbers are complying with those observations. Here, what's remarkable, I guess, would be the days to sell. It has taken 3 extra days to sell in September versus back in August. Okay, now we're gonna switch gear and look at deals, right? Because that's what we care about as real estate investors. So here we're looking at houses that are discounted on the market, on the MLS. And each circle is a deal. And so what you see here is that the bigger the circle, the better the deal. And each are the deals we found on the MLS in the last 30 days. You can also see where there are clusters of deals. Those are the hot area where you're gonna see more deals on the MLS. So this is what we saw in the last month, and we can kind of base on the last month and just kind of the history of the previous months to see where the deals usually pop up. And it tends to be, where the clusters are, in Garland, Mesquite, Bulk Springs in the Dallas County, in Fort Worth, we got Fort Worth and Arlington area, and Helmton City, that type of those kind of cities. But we're gonna look into the more details later. Let's move on. This is the total number of counts of deals we see in each major county in the last month. Here we see Dallas, there are over 200 properties, 219 to be exact, followed by Tarrant with 184 properties, and Collin and Denton. Again, these are MLS deals. We're gonna be looking at the off-market deals and the off-market numbers in a little bit. Here we're looking at a total of opportunities. If we buy all these houses at the asking price and sell it at what we estimated to be the after repair value, this would be the rough number of opportunities. And here we're looking at the trend of number of deals from January to November of 2018. Each county is color coded. So Collin is blue, so you can focus on the blue and kind of see where the numbers have been progressing over time. Or Dallas County, you're gonna focus on the orange. And also we can see a just kind of the up and down of the general trend for every single month. All right, now we're gonna move on to look at the off-market. Particularly, we are looking at the pre-foreclosure filings of the previous month. The darker the color, the more filings there are in zip codes. So here we're doing it a little bit differently because the more actionable data is the zip code. So we are looking at all these numbers based on the zip code, and we are mapping these based on zip codes. Again, the darker the color, the more filings there are. Now here we're looking at the count of filings in each county. Seems to be following the, pretty much the same trend as what we're seeing on the MOS. We have a lot of deals in Dallas and Tarrant County, and in Collin and Denton, they are a little bit less. And here we're looking at the pre-foreclosure opportunities. So what we're looking at is the calculating the estimated unpaid balance based on the loan terms that they have taken out. And we are comparing that to the assessed value, tax assessed value. And we're seeing over $161 million of potential equity if we are able to turn all of them into deals. So a lot of opportunities on off market. Here we're looking at the historical trend of the pre-foreclosure filings. Pretty much a very similar interpretation as the MOS one, but we're now seeing the trend for the pre-foreclosure. Now these slides are available in SlideShare. You just need to look up Real Estate IQ on SlideShare, and we have a lot of real estate intelligence report videos, and we have a lot of freebies such as the real estate deal of the day. You can sign up at www.realestateiq.co/freebies. All right, that's what we have for today. I hope you guys enjoy the DFW intelligence report, and stay tuned. We're going to have new updated data next month. For limited time only, you can sign up for our Real Estate Deal of the Day subscription for free. So what happens is every day, from Monday to Saturday, we have a deal expert that uses our system, finds a good looking, high potential deal, and we analyze it and we blog about it. So we want to share with you what a good deal looks like and what kind of factors you should be considering when you're analyzing real estate investment deals. A really, really good educational piece for those of you who are trying to learn, get started, because the most important thing is you need to find good deals, and in order to do that, you need to know what a good deal looks like. So make sure you sign up for this free publication. We want to bring a lot of value to you, and please enjoy it.